about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Hakka training, and we're taking you to Beipu Township in Hsinchu County today. And you know what? Rivers play a very important role in the development of villages. Now, here in Beipu, there is a river named Dapingxi, and when we arrive, we're going to find out more about the lifestyles and culture of these villagers. 今天呢，我们要带大家到北埔，而这边呢有一个很有名的大平溪。听说呢，这边当地人呢生活呢都靠着这个大平溪。我们待会儿呢会一起来多了解了。Hey Leo 啊，这边大平溪真的很漂亮，然后我觉得只要靠近水的地方啊，都会有很多的特色在耶。
对啊。
听说大平溪这边也有非常著名，就是很多人会在这边洗衣服的地方
洗山坑啊，对，就在附近啦。
OK，
我跟你讲，在西山旁洗山坑其实就很多早期的那个客家妇女就在这边洗衣服，而且会来这边做很多的家事啊，像洗菜啦，还有杀鱼、杀鸡、杀鸭。
当作是一个小厨房一样。
对。
然后这沿岸再走下去，应该有很多不一样的这个景点吧？
在沿着这条河走到中游的地方你就可以看到很多的油茶树，那个苦茶油就在这里了啦。
苦茶油，我跟你讲，苦茶油好像有很多功用。
苦茶油可是客家人的宝啊！以前早期的客家妇女啊，就用苦茶油来抹头发，然后呢也可以煎蛋啊、拌面啊，你看多好！
好，这到时候我一定要买几箱这个伴手礼回去啊！
哎呦，你内行的哦。
对，没错。不过讲一讲，我还是肚子饿了。
那我带你来去吃那个坑口饭好了。
坑口饭，我听过控肉饭，什么是坑口饭？
坑口饭它的灵感就来自于这个矿工的亲人就送那个碗饭过来那个碗饭当然要又分量又多，然后又可以吃得很饱。
对，这个很合我的胃跟我的身材，对不对？
没错。
好，那我们待会儿去吃哦。
走。
For a slower pace of life from times past, you do know better than visiting Daping Creek in Hsinchu's Beipu Township. A section of the creek called Xishanken is still used by locals to wash clothes and clean fish and vegetables, and in the spring is bursting with fireflies, tong blossoms, camellia, and persimmon trees. The Hakka have used camellia oil as a beauty product and in cooking for years. The local mine isn't open anymore, but the eatery served meals that are hearty and filling, inspired by the lunches brought to the miners by their families.
All right, let's have Leo teach us some of these phrases like the washing pit, 洗山坑,
洗山行.
洗山行. And then don't forget, you can buy some camellia oil over here, 就是我们的苦茶油.
富茶油.
富茶油. All right, learning all about the Hakka here on ICRT, and that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么台嘎?
俺子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.